Hi. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use multiple layout files in your ASP.NET MVC6 projects in Visual Studio 2022. The reason you might want multiple layout files is you might have different sections of your website that you want different setups. You might want to have a vanilla template for the entry page and then add supported pages that are out. The reasons are multiple. So I'm going to demonstrate quickly how to create a multiple layout in your project and show you how to use them. Alright, so I'm working on my computer store project, and I currently have one layout file. And it's got my menu, it's got my footer the way that I like it, it's got everything I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of it. Put it back in shared. And let's call this thing add layouts. Make sure you keep the underscore in front of it, that keeps it hidden. Okay, so what's going to happen with add layouts is rather than just take the whole page for the body, I'm going to create a top and two ads up and down the sides, kind of like what you see on your news feeds or on the recipe pages. And I'm going to use placeholder.com to get my images. So I currently have a container here in a row. I'm going to add some rows. Actually, you know what? No, I need to do a little bit of extra work. So I'm going to have a row across the top that has an image. And I'm going to use, as I said, placeholder.com. And the way that that sets up is it wants a width and a height. So I'm going to say 150 high times 2000 wide and make it blue. To prove that works, I'm just going to open this up in a browser. There we go. So it's 150 wide by 2000, so I got it backwards, so I'm going to make it 2000 by 150. Let's see if I fix that. 2000 is probably too big. There you go, 2000 by 150. What placeholder.com is simply an API that responds back with this picture. Alright, so I've got that going across the top. And then I create a second row. This one will have rows and columns. And of course, this is the Bootstrap. Why do you have to help me so much today? This, of course, is the Bootstrap grid system. And what a placeholder, this one's going to be 150 wide by 2000 tall. I'm going to put a second one of these. And I'll put my render body inside of a third div. If you know Bootstrap's grid, you know it's a 12 column grid. So I've got 2 columns on the left devoted to a picture, 2 columns on the far right devoted to a picture, and then 8 in the middle is my render body. Alright, so to use this thing, pick a page you want to destroy. I'm going to put this on my desktops and my laptops. So, but the default is to use the layout that's set up here in View Start. This is the default. If I want all my pages to look like this, I put add layout here. I'm just going to change two of them. So I'll simply say layouts. And let's get the name right. Add layouts.cshtml. And I'll also do that, like I said, on my laptop's page. See if it works. Looks like I put it in the layout page instead of the desktops page. Let's see if that's exactly what it's exactly what I did, isn't it? So let's fix that. So I simply edited the wrong page. All right, works. Putrid, but it works. Okay, so you've seen how to use multiple layouts in a file. In another video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make it so that you don't have to have this menu repeated across every page. I'm going to do that with partial views. All right, thanks for watching. Good night.